Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones, the drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, the camera quality plays a crucial role. The drone comes with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture breathtaking photos and videos. Whether you want to inspect hard-to-reach areas or capture cool videos, this drone has got you covered. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone also features a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. It allows you to snap wonderful moments with intelligent gesture identification. Both drones offer impressive camera capabilities, ensuring you can capture stunning footage from the air. Nobody wants their fun to be cut short due to limited battery life. The drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. With the ability to swap and charge batteries in rotation, you can extend your flying experience. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 drone offers stable flight and comes with default altitude hold, allowing it to hover at a fixed height. This feature, combined with its one-key start land button, ensures an easy and enjoyable flying experience. Both drones provide a decent flight time, allowing you to make the most of your adventures. Controlling your drone should be a seamless experience. The drone can be flown using either the remote control or a smartphone. To capture video or images, you need to connect to the drone via Wi-Fi and use the HITOR BOFPV app. It even offers voice control and trajectory flight features for added convenience. Similarly, the SOTAONE S400 drone offers smart app control with features like voice control, gravity sensor control, and VR support. This allows you to have a personalized flying experience tailored to your preferences. Both drones provide multiple control options, making it easier for beginners and enthusiasts to operate them. Besides the essential features, both drones come with additional functionalities to enhance your flying experience. The drone offers features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and speed adjustment, making it perfect for beginners and kids. It's a great choice for those starting their drone journey. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone provides excellent air stunts with 3D flips in multiple directions. It also includes features like high-speed rotation and circle flight, adding excitement to your leisure time. This drone is ideal for kids and families looking for a fun and entertaining flying experience. Based on online reviews, the drone is highly recommended for its versatile camera and extended flight time. Users appreciate its ease of use and value for money. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S400 drone is praised for its intelligent camera and stabilized flight time. Reviewers find it personalized and entertaining. However, some reviewers mention that the frame rate of the SOTAONE S400 drone is not satisfactory. That concludes our comparison between the drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone. Both drones offer impressive features and functionalities, ensuring an enjoyable flying experience. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember to consider factors like camera quality, flight time, control options, and additional features when making your decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.